Madonbai Rymbai, ubari UMDC ka Congress na 4 Amwi Klitershi constituency, menta kasi sajan, ukwa banai Khublei, yau CEM thymmai ka JHADC, uma thombor shiwan, ubala wan biang hakani ka shuki CEM hadin ka jinget vote, kabla long hakat pratere gurempang arajapsan, da kabayo hadu kanyo votes. Nakaliang uma Madonbai Rymbai, wai ka jing kitbok kirwiang, yau ma thombor shiwan. Ba unyo ya kamen kapat kabakoy bakya ka jing start jing shampang ba undang la shushu ban penya chakaman ya ka council komunong yalam bah kledo da ka bakuntu yo CEM ba unyele kadbala ban penne pensa ya ka kendo ka shop bat kariti ka duster jongki penar hapo ka rilum jantia
Bogonga ka jing sniaw dio ka jing itaw ka tu ka session pemadanin ke order yang gubernur yang kemikilia pada EU jadi ia ke election ke post CEM hadir pada out result yang post CEM dan jabuma tombor siwan kau CEM utme yang ke janji district council senyap susi yang senyap dia wa agak jingit tahu agar felicitation program ko dia cinta ke member memumi dah orang channel yang di press bagi media sekarang kita ni ke por kuwa open benar bagi ini dia berada di kelami nin ke sini ke position yang berjanji lah nomor sisi council tak uya kami di channel yang di press media kenang wa kinong senang yang janji listrik orang kopi, yang jingce, kaya buat ini dah biar kritisai, kaya buat dah ekspresi, kampanye ini kaya buat fokus ini, agak jingnya tak, wanra, yang imsuk sancang ni dah wanra, yang dah ikoi penjuang ke developmental wang, kamjau lah, wan penbiang ketika contribution orang haram yang kenangwa. Inam senang yang kajian distrik orang kopi, human gitu, kita sok pesan, kita kai dokumen. Akan digapar tua awam, jingklam ningesni, ada felicitation program, kopi naga jingmut, ko hakmat tam, pada jimpentai, jingita bahwa felicitation program yang ma tombor simat roman lah, dan dep sahaja kapsi yang motivate. Yang janji district council nebenta kenika senem arjar arpausan uman beka full time ado senem arjar lepa dekat bante yicim betai ka kenika kom ngalu wine wo yicim beta hagajing to ko felicitation program temot wano pensia nebenta yicingche wan rai segi nom trong senang yang janji distrik orang kopi teman ko kamni kom ngak lama degu ango kamni ne I am very thankful to Sri Thombor Siwan, newly elected CEM of the August round of JHADC this year 2025. Today is the great day for Master Tishiwat will be back to the post of Chief Executive Member of this council through this Akasam. Being you are an experienced member, you have a sufficient knowledge. I have high expectation you can run a better administration of Janji Hill District Council. Dan Sri Tishiwat, Honorable 4th consecutive term, elected MDC from Natyang area. Master Siwat, Honorable CEM, elected to the said post 3 times. This time, sir, you came this prestigious post as a real veteran. You have learned a lot of experience in the council. You continue the CEM post till date more than 1 decade. I have high expectation you make sure in a good policy with your team colleague in the executive committee. These are the priority I have to mention below. First priority is the, the top priority codification of Penar community and exceptionally BAT community as well. It is very most important for codification through district council for the Penar community and at the same time for BAT community as well. Master Siwan, try your level best for restoration the administration of the council in a smooth functioning. Let the people of Janki Hill will be happy in your leadership. Try to control the leakage of revenue in the council. Whatever happened the last 6 years is a trouble for the council employee. The council could not pay the salary of the council employee the last 6 years. Then, right from today onward, please try your level best to make it for smooth functioning of the machinery in the council. Being you are a veteran as a member of the district council, Janki Hill. We have a highest producer in mineral resources and forest produce also. Why not? The last 6 years is a financial crisis all along the time.